Hello friends. Stay groovy, a meaningful and fun saying on a wooden slice painting for the hippies. A wood slice painting is an ideal gift for Hogmanay, the New Year, Burns Night, St. Andrew's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Easter, Father's Day, Grandparents' Day, and Thanksgiving, and also makes ideal gifts for birthdays, weddings, engagements, anniversaries, christenings, and other special events. For more information, please visit website emeraldblossoms.com. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share.